While the world is experiencing the most serious economic turmoil in recent history, on the streets of the Iranian capital it's business as usual. Economists say that Iran's economy is suffering from a mixture of stagnation and inflation and warn that much harder times may lie ahead. But the government's fiscal policies appear to have been successful in keeping the global economic meltdown at bay.
If this crisis continues and grows to the level of the Depression in 1929, it may have some effect on Iran's economy, but I don't think it reaches here.
They say that the crisis is harming the U.S. economy slowly, but in my opinion it will eventually harm Iran's trade with those countries who use U.S. dollars for business.
The global banking crisis has had a knock-on effect in most countries, especially within the European Union and the United States. But Iran, with its non-relationship with the US, may have benefited from its status.
It's been said that there is a great wall of mistrust between Iran and the US that overshadows both nations' interests. Ironically, Iranians may have that wall to thank for stopping waves of destruction that started in the United States.
Iran made the decision to use currencies other than US dollars for foreign trade shortly after President Ahmadinejad came to power in 2005. He has prophesied the fall of the United States many times.
Be sure that by God's grace, America will be trapped in its self-inflicted economic problems and will fall from its position as a superpower soon.
3 rounds of UN Security Council sanctions have been imposed on Iran to make it stop uranium enrichment. As a result, Iranian importers say they must go through what they call a maze to reach foreign partners. But that maze also slows down the shock waves from the outside world before they reach Iranian economy in the center. Unlike the heavy hits taken by stock exchanges around the world, the Tehran exchange appears calm. Brokers say they've seen better days, but they don't expect a disaster.
We know that the petrochemical industry is doing well right now, and we have no any company related to the oil in the stock market. Banking system is going smoothly and doing their business. And interest rates are very high because of inflation, because of the need for money, and as you know, the interest rate is the cost of the money to borrow, and there is no any problem fundamentally.
As the sun sets, Iran businesses close up shop for the night. Some will sleep well, and most don't expect to have nightmares, at least for now. Alireza, Ronaghi, Al Jazeera, Tehran.